Hello, my friends. It is Miss Powell, and I'm here to practice some reading with you guys today. One of our new sight words this week is the word come. You will see that word in green to remind you that that is a new word that we're putting in our brains. We're learning so that when we get to it, we don't have to think about it. We know exactly what the word is. So I'm going to be tracking. Please make sure you use your tracking finger, get that ready, shake it out so that you can point to each word as we're reading. Okay? We're going to start here and we're going to go from left to right. Can you come to the farm with me? Your turn. Good job, my friends. Let's do the next sentence together. The horse will come out of the barn to run. Your turn. All right, and this is our last sentence. Remember, we're going to go down and to the left and read our next sentence. The chicken will come out to eat corn. Your turn. All right, good job, my friends. Remember to go to Seesaw and record yourself reading these 3 sentences so that your teacher can hear you. I look forward to reading with you again. Have a wonderful day.